Today, I'm going to show you how to sell your Telegram username safely and securely using the Fragment platform. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a digital handle into real value. Whether you have a unique, collectible username or just want to explore the process, this walkthrough will make things crystal clear. First off, it's important to understand that not every Telegram username can be sold directly on Fragment. If your username isn't one of those short, memorable types or hasn't been minted as an NFT, Fragment won't let you list it as is. Those collectible usernames, think something like at Alex or at Start, are the ones that become digital assets. For most standard usernames, someone may have already claimed them, and you'd need an arrangement, sometimes a fee to have the current owner transfer it to you. If you want to officially sell yours, it has to be converted into an NFT asset on the Ton blockchain platform. Fragment handles digital assets, not just standard it handles, so preparing your username like this is a crucial first step. Once you're sure your username qualifies for sale, here's how you get started. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Fragment.com, the official marketplace for these digital Telegram assets. Take a moment to double-check you're not on a lookalike site. Security matters, so bookmark the real thing if you plan to visit often. Next, you'll log in using your Telegram account. The Fragment platform uses Telegram itself for authentication, so it's just a matter of signing in and confirming via your Telegram app. If you pop over to your phone or desktop client and see a login request, that's normal. Go ahead and approve it and you'll be redirected right back to Fragment. Now comes a critical piece, connecting your Ton wallet. Without a compatible wallet like Tonkeeper or My Ton Wallet, you can't manage your assets or receive payment. If you're new to Ton wallets, don't worry. The Fragment website has step-by-step instructions to help you link it securely. Take your time following those prompts and make sure you save your recovery details somewhere safe. Connecting your wallet is like opening a bank account. It's where you'll receive your proceeds if your username finds a buyer. Once you're set up, look for the Profile or Owned Assets section. This is where all usernames you own and have minted as NFTs will appear. Pick the username you want to sell and choose the option to start an auction. Setting a minimum price is up to you and will be listed in Ton, the cryptocurrency used on this platform. If you're unsure what's reasonable, browse active auctions for similar names. It's a bit like checking property values in a neighborhood before listing your own house. After you've listed your username, it goes live on the Fragment marketplace and users can now bid. Auctions usually run for a specified period, such as 7 days. During this time, it's natural to feel a little anticipation. Will others see the value in your handle? Will bidding be competitive? Don't worry if the activity seems slow early on. Many bidders prefer to jump in closer to closing time. When the auction wraps up, the highest bidder's payment is automatically processed through Fragment's secure system, and the username gets transferred to their ownership as an NFT in their connected wallet. You don't have to chase the buyer or handle the tech transfer yourself. Fragment's platform takes care of that for you. It's convenient and helps keep everyone safe. And there you have it, a straightforward process to turn your Telegram username into an asset using Fragment. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by smashing the like button. If anything was unclear or you have follow-up questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another easy, step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for joining me today and good luck with your auction.